is in Annapolis this weekend, just in time for the spring market. It's Friday, February 24th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Those considering whether to sell this spring have good news. Inventory remains low and prices are still stable. You won't see the frenzied push, but you will see serious buyer offers. So sellers who want to sell should step up to the plate. Annapolis inventory continues as slim with only 90 homes for sale in all Annapolis zip codes. So sellers will be competing with fewer homes for sale. Only 5 new listings hit the market since my last report. 14 are coming soon, 16 went under contract, 6 moved to pending, and 11 sold in 54 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in Eastport for $910,000. Rental inventory is at 30 homes for lease at $3,050 per month and on the market for 21 days thus far. Got questions? Let me give you the facts. Call me. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 24th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.